Hi guys, welcome you all to this amazing session on top 10 reasons to learn cybersecurity. So before moving ahead, I want you guys to subscribe to MindMajix YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the top 10 reasons to learn cybersecurity, as you can see on the screen. So let's discuss them one by one. So the first reason here is that the job prospects are excellent. So digital transformation, the Internet of Things, that is IoT, cloud computing, big data, all of these growing trends are colliding to create a major challenge for the organizations. As massive amounts of data are collected, shared, and stored, every business becomes vulnerable to having the crown jewels exposed, whether that's personally identifiable information, that is PII, or the intellectual property, or some other sensitive data. Since there is no shortage of hackers who wish to have an access to this data, organizations of all sizes are trying to protect themselves the best they can. Additionally, more mature ones are moving beyond prevention to proactively detect and predict threats. So that's where cybersecurity professionals come in. So these experts are needed in almost each and every industry. A variety of professionals currently have a talent crunch, but not many will see job growth as robust as cybersecurity. So currently, CyberSeek, which is a project by the National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education, estimates that national supply to demand ratio for cybersecurity workers is at 2.5 compared to 6.5 for all other jobs. So as cloud, IoT, big data, and other trends grow, the black hats will find new ways to take the advantages of the weaknesses, which means that the jobs for the white hats will continue to grow. So the next point here is good salary packages. Who doesn't want a good salary package? Almost everyone. And getting a good salary doesn't hurt. When it comes to building a career in cybersecurity, experience and knowledge are a must. However, starting a career with a good salary package is also a dream for many candidates. Therefore, a simple rule of demand and supply has been applied here. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is increasing day by day, while the supply is considerably less. So, employers are ready to pay higher salaries to trained cybersecurity professionals. This is a very important reason why you should go ahead and learn cybersecurity skills. To prevent themselves from online frauds and cyber attacks, businesses and governments are looking for experts who can protect their systems from cyber criminals and hire the best human resource. For this, they are even willing to pay more salaries. So, as a skilled cybersecurity professional, you can also negotiate your salary with any employer. So, if you talk about the numbers now, so the entry level salary for a cybersecurity professional in the US is approximately 80,000 US dollars per annum. So, if you talk about the median salary, so the median salary for a trained cybersecurity engineer in US is around 95,000 US dollars per annum. So the next reason here is you get a highly satisfying and interesting job. So the ISG survey found that 40% of the cybersecurity professionals were very satisfied with their jobs. Besides compensation, factors contributing to high job satisfaction includes incentives for career advancement and the business management's commitment to cybersecurity. So if you want a career where you're helping others and learning and growing, cybersecurity is the best job option for you. And if you love solving puzzles and problems and enjoy a good challenge, your work will always be interesting. As per my personal opinion, this is a career option where you will never be bored of your work. So the next point here is you get to choose from a wide range of industries. So if you're a cybersecurity professional, you're not just confined to one particular industry. While earlier the demand for cybersecurity professionals was restricted to certain industries like secret military agencies, government agencies, banks, hospital, IT companies, and schools. But as the digital revolution has taken place, there has been advancement in the fields of technology, data science, artificial intelligence, software development, DevOps, and so on. So this has opened the gates for cybersecurity professionals to enter any industry that wants to be digitally secure. Moreover, this is an outstanding reason for you to learn cybersecurity. The next point here is that mathematics is not needed. Do you have a phobia for mathematics? Are you scared of the numbers? Well, in that case, you just need to relax. It is true that maths as a subject is quite challenging for a lot of students. Some of the working professionals are also afraid of maths. It is true that not everyone has an aptitude for mathematics, and this feeling does not let them go ahead with the career of their choice, as maths is involved in it. So, if you are also afraid of maths and you want to build a career in cybersecurity, you can surely go ahead without being upset about the maths part. Cybersecurity is absolutely free from the involvement of mathematics. And if you don't like maths, you need not worry about getting a certification in cybersecurity. The next point here is almost unlimited potential for growth. Cybersecurity attacks are increasing in numbers and also getting smarter day by day. Cybersecurity professionals are always engaged in outsmarting black hat hackers, patching vulnerabilities, and analyzing the risk of an organization. The ability to tackle such attacks in an ever advancing industry only comes with continuous study and thorough research. So, this means that after you learn cybersecurity skills and start working, your knowledge is continuously enhanced, and with experience, your wisdom continuously increases, and thus you become unstoppable when we are talking about personal growth in cybersecurity industry. So, whether you're looking to work your way towards a chief information security officer role or to work with brand new technologies, the only thing that will restrict you is your desire. So that's an exciting proposition and a reason good enough on its own to choose a career in cybersecurity. The next point here is the opportunity to work with big companies and secret agencies. One of the best things about being a cybersecurity professional is that your chances of working with some of the biggest companies at many top positions in the world increases. There is no restrictions on the number of organizations that you can work with. The demand for cybersecurity professionals has increased considerably across the globe. Thus, geographical hindrance is automatically cleared. It has to be noted that the potential does not end here. Experts in cybersecurity might also get a chance to work with some of the top notch secret agencies and intelligence agencies like the National Security Agency, CBI, etc., along with Central Intelligence Agencies, Department of Defense, and various banks. So, if you learn cybersecurity, you might just become a top secret agent. So this sounds cool, isn't it? So this is another important reasons for you to gain cybersecurity skill. The next point here is best job for people who wish to travel the world. For those of you who wish to travel the globe, cybersecurity might just be the perfect career path. Thousands of homegrown cybersecurity experts are working to protect businesses, government agencies, and general consumers. On a global scale, the rise in cyber attacks is outpacing the supply of cyber defenders. So this results in plenty of opportunities for cybersecurity professionals and experts to travel overseas to serve their skills, which are in high demand. Hence, if you ever wanted to work in a different country, then a career in cybersecurity might just be a perfect passport to success. The next point here is upward mobility. If you have a knack for managing and you aren't afraid to polish your communication and people skills, you'll always find good prospects for climbing up the corporate ladder. Sure, you'll have to pay your dues for it, like the years of experience, getting all the right certifications. But the good news is that the demand is growing for senior roles as much as it is for the frontline specialists. For example, some regulatory bodies like the New York Financial Services are already requiring organizations to designate a chief information security officer for overseeing and implementing a cybersecurity program and for enforcing the policies. Many industry experts view this groundbreaking rule as a flagship that the others will follow as well. And the last point here is flexible cybersecurity training programs. Flexibility is of great importance for working adults. The option to learn cybersecurity online while having a full time job and family obligations has proven to be a career game changer for many cybersecurity professionals. Today, many companies, colleges, and universities offer online options, either hybrid programs or 100% online degrees. In addition to flexibility, online learning offers key benefits for students, including the ability to access the best cybersecurity courses, the professors, and the universities, no matter where you are located in the world. For these courses, you also have to pay less fees, and you can even interact with the students from around the country and the globe. So these were the top 10 reasons for you to learn cybersecurity. So if you have any queries related to this session, then you can write them in the comments box below, and my team is here to help you with all your queries and doubts. So that's it, guys, from my side in this session. Thank you so much.